The only one that's missing that we didn't do in the euro pairs is the euro pound. And if you can see in the euro pound, our buying point from last week was above 80.05. We had a structural point at 80.66. The 80.66, as you're going to see in the chart, is a pretty major structural point. And once we are above that, we're looking for this trend to continue higher. And that's why when you have two currencies, both of them are reasonably strong. The strongest of both, and in this case it is the euro. And that is the 80.66, as you can see here. And if I take you back, you'll see that the 80.66 has been the low of July of June 2010. That is that structural point here. This is where the 80.66 came from, and it is quite significant. I'm just adding more data so that you can see, because we had this explosive move to the upside. Now this thing started to roll over and give us several structural failure. That big mama here, which is the 80.66, that was when we broke it right here. That was the absolute trend change in the euro, and it took us all the way down to the 75. Now we're back above the 80.66. That is a very important landmark, or whatever you want to call it, and we should be going higher. And the next one is right there, which is the 81.86. So as you can see, the close here, we had a very good close. It is not a distressed close. We're looking for a continuation to the upside. So we're going to go, we're looking to buy it. And in this case, this is our intraday chart. As you can see that the trend is, again, magnificent to the upside. So let's put our short from here. This is our short point, and this is going to be our stop. And our buying point has to be either above the opening range or above the high of the day. So we don't really have $80.94. $81.01. I mean, it's a pretty congested area, and it should give us a little bit of a pause over here. We can try it above this one, above 81.01. So we will be buying the euro pound above 81.01. The next structural point is the 81, I think 66. I'm not sure what the number is. I forgot. 81.86. I'm sorry. Okay, and if I buy it 81.01, my stop would be below that structure here, which is 80.70. On the short side, as I said, we're going to go short below 80.40. Our stop is going to be 80.60. And our structure short point is the granddaddy of all, which is the 80.66. Okay, so we're buying above 81.01. Our stop is going to be 81.70. We have a structure point 81.86, and we're going to go short below 80.40. We have our structure short point at 80.66, and our stop is going to be the 80.60. Okay, that is the euro pound. Let me save that.